Having added up the number of votes cast as recorded on each declaration form, each declaration of results form in accordance with Section 77, subsection 1 of the Parliamentary Elections Act, declare that the total number of valid votes cast for candidates are as follows. Batalingaya Basil, Wangweni, Batalingaya Basil, Wangweni, 10,308. Mugasaf, 92. Musingus Patrick, 11,900. Accordingly, as the returning officer for electors and in accordance with the above section mentioned in the Parliamentary Elections Act, I declare Musingus Patrick to be the elected candidate for Kasharnos County. January 2016, time is 8 at 8:07 a.m. with